This is Vernon Womack. I'm working pest control technician. Getting ready to have 3D raindrop surgery by Dr. Ming Wang. Looking forward to it. I'm tired of glasses.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ming Wang and this is Mr. Womack. Mr. Womack is about to have 3D laser raindrop procedure today. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go, the raindrop. Perfect. I'm ready by one square. My refraction is right now. Look at the time. We're going to see, this is Mr. and Mrs. Womack. Now, Mr. Womack, before the raindrop procedure today, if I didn't give you a pair of reading glasses or something, you couldn't read without reading glasses, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Mr. Womack suffered what we call short arm syndrome. You know, as we get older, our arms get a little shorter. And for some reason, that Mr. Womack did not want to have his arms lengthened, right? So we had to try some other way. And he is one of the first patients in Middle Tennessee to have 3D laser raindrop procedure, and which was just performed a few minutes ago. So here's a moment of truth. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and open. Blink 3 times. Look around. You can see. Congratulations. Congratulations. Excellent. Excellent. Congratulations.